Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this course. I'm Ryan Cronenberg and I wanted to say straight away that I'm not the one teaching this course, Matthias here is. Matthias did 5 of the AWS certs, 2 of the Pro and 3 of the Associate, all in 5 months, and has now passed the Google Associate Cloud Engineer and the Professional Cloud Architect exams. And Matthias has created a new course for us called the Google Certified Associate Cloud Engineer course. Now this course is awesome and it really could change your life. Now it's not going to do that for everyone, but my students keep telling me about how learning and getting certified on AWS has opened so many doors for them. And this course can really open doors for you with the Google Cloud because it will help you pass the Google Associate Cloud Engineer exam.
I started by making the course that I wish that I'd had when I first wanted to learn about Google Cloud years ago. A crash course that gave a super fast introduction to everything that GCP has to offer. Now, a lot of people have used that course already, both to ramp up on GCP and to study for their different certification exams.
Yeah, that's it. People want to get certified because it proves that they've learned the skills the companies need to run production workloads in the cloud.
Yeah, exactly. So I wanted to make a course to help people do that.
And that's this course.
This is the course that gets you from wherever you are now to passing Google's Associate Cloud Engineer Certification exam.
So this course is all about what students need to both pass their exams and to use the Google Cloud in real life. And we are actually following one of Amazon's leadership principles here. We are starting with you, the customer, starting with you, the student, and what you need, and then working backwards from there.
Yeah, and one thing in particular is that we were talking about how to make sure that people would have everything covered after taking this course. We were wondering whether we needed to make experience with Kubernetes be a prerequisite to this course because of how important it is on Google's exam. But then you said,
well, if they need to learn Kubernetes, let's put our whole Kubernetes course into our Google ACE course.
Yeah. When I first found out that we were adding a Kubernetes deep dive course to our A Cloud Guru course library, I jumped at the chance to go through it, and boy was I happy. The author of that course, Nigel Poulton, had achieved shockingly good coverage of what you need to know about Kubernetes for Google's Associate Cloud Engineer exam. And he did it in a way that really lined up quite well with the data flow approach that I emphasized throughout this course too.
So we put it in.
We did. This ACE course is actually a combination of those 3 courses.
And it's amazing value, really. You're basically getting 3 courses all for the price of 1.
All to make sure that you have what you need to get certified. Anyway, a lot of students have already used this course to pass their Associate Cloud Engineer exams.
And Professional Cloud Architect exams too, right?
Yeah, actually. A lot of people do want to get their Professional Cloud Architect certification, or PCA, and they see that ACE is actually a great stepping stone to get there.
So that's it. We hope you will really love this course. It's designed to help you pass the Google Associate Cloud Engineer certification, even if you have little to no experience with the Google Cloud. And Matthias has put an awful lot of hard work into it, and we are all looking forward to teaching you how to cloud.
Thanks, Ryan. So, if you want to become a Google Certified Associate Cloud Engineer, then let's get started.
Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus, and we'll see you in the course.